Ever wondered how your phone can send a message from a mountain in Nepal to a friend sipping coffee in New York? It's not magic, it's mobile networks. When you send a text or make a call, your phone doesn't directly connect to someone else's. Instead, it transmits electromagnetic signals, specifically radio waves, to the nearest cell tower. These waves operate at different frequency bands, like highways in the sky, ranging from low-band sub-1 GHz for broad coverage, to mid-band 1 to 6 GHz for balance, to high-band wave, 24 GHz and up for ultra-fast speeds in 5G. Your phone converts your voice or data into binary, modulates it into a radio frequency using protocols IQ-AM quadrature amplitude modulation or OFDM orthogonal frequency division multiplexing, and transmits it through its internal antenna. The cell tower, which is essentially a base transceiver station, receives this signal with directional antennas, then relays it to the base station controller or directly to the mobile switching center, depending on network type. These towers are strategically placed in overlapping hexagonal zones, creating a cellular network. Each cell uses a specific set of frequencies to avoid interference with neighboring cells, a method called frequency reuse. When you're on the move, a process called handover ensures your connection seamlessly jumps from one tower to another without dropping your call. Meanwhile, your SIM card carries your IMSI International Mobile Subscriber Identity and securely communicates with the tower through an encrypted handshake, authenticating you into the network. Once verified, your voice or data packets are routed through the network's backhaul, often fiber optics or microwave relays, towards their destination. For voice, they go through circuit-switched pathways. For internet, they travel via packet-switched IP routes. NAD in the nodebs for G, nodebs 5G, massive MIMO antennas, beamforming, network slicing, and edge computing, and you're looking at a system smart enough to prioritize emergency calls, balance traffic, and deliver 4K video, all in real time, from GSM and CDMA to LTE and 5G NR. Every generation has added new layers of complexity and speed. Still think it's just bars on a screen? There's an entire invisible infrastructure keeping you connected, just so you can say, "Hey, can you hear me now?" Hit that subscribe button for more tech decoded only on Knowledge Hub, and as always, stay curious.